Companies that use AI for competitive analysis respond to market changes 3x faster than those that don't. Here's the complete system from data collection to strategic action. Use Perplexity for real-time competitor news, Crayon for automated competitive tracking, and Claude for analyzing SEC filings and annual reports. AI processes in minutes what takes humans days. Feed your competitor data into Claude and ask for Porter's 5 forces, SWOT, or competitive positioning analysis. The AI cross-references data points you'd never connect manually. Set up automated monitoring with Mention, Brand24, and custom AI agents. Get alerts when competitors launch products, change pricing, or shift messaging. Building a complete competitive analysis dashboard from scratch using AI, from data collection to automated reports that update weekly. Download my AI competitive analysis template in the description. Subscribe for the Advanced Business Strategy with AI series.